Hey Siri, set a 5 a.m. alarm.
I've set your alarm for 5 a.m.
But the minute next after doing this, you realize that you have a late night party on the day before. That is the 31st of December. Hey Siri, change the 5 a.m. alarm to 7 a.m.
I've changed your alarm to 7 a.m.
7 a.m., it's still a good deal, right? A person waking up at 9 a.m., waking up at 7 a.m., 2 hours early. It's still not bad. It's fine. And let's say your party is done, you sleep around 2 a.m. at the night, dreaming about your goals that you will be chasing in 2026. But suddenly the alarm hits. It's 7 o'clock in the morning, but your goals haven't completed yet, at least in your dreams. So the next thing that you do is, hey Siri, delete the 7 a.m. alarm.
I've deleted your 7 a.m. alarm.
In this complete scenario, I haven't even touched my any of the Apple devices or even any electronic devices. It literally felt like I have my own Jarvis with me. The Iron Man vibe.
Initiate sequence. Access neural network.
Now, this was one of the way how I actually used my Siri, but there are four other ways that I'll be discussing in this video, which have added definitely some value to my life, and it will obviously for you as well, because all the things that goes on my channel are done personally and spoke personally by my personal experience. I know personally it's being too much, right? But yeah, that is what it is. Therefore, just click the subscribe button because you don't want to miss this kinds of videos. Let's move on with our second year New Year resolution, working out on daily basis. You want to gain weight, you want to gain muscle, you want to lose weight, you want to get fit. You obviously will be having a goal set up for your new year, right? And let's say you started working out, which I'm doing for the past 6 to 7 months. Yeah, I know it doesn't seems like it looking at me, but yeah, I do. I genuinely do. I can put a video right over here. So I have a goal like whenever I reach my gym, I should start the workout session. My phone should go on DND. Some even have the goals like they need to text their loved ones that they just reach the gym. Or let's say even before starting, like starting from the home, you want the directions to get open so that you can check the traffic on the go. Now, all these things doing separately will definitely gonna take some energy. So here comes our point number two, that is the Siri plus the shortcuts app. Now, this shortcut app is very underrated. Most of the people using iOS devices, they don't even know that this app exists. And this is not like other third-party application. It is right there in your phone, provided by Apple itself, and I force you to use it because it really makes sense. Let me tell you how in this particular situation. Here, the first goal was to get direction. The second goal was when you reach gym, your workout should start. The third goal was text your loved ones. And the fourth goal was going on D&D. All these combinations can be combined together and put it into the shortcuts app. And using Siri to access this shortcut makes it way more easier to quickly do all these things with just that voice command. Again, the Jarvis. And frankly, out of this, I do most of the things. Like literally, I have set up location in the shortcuts app where whenever I hit gym at a particular time, when I reached in that particular location, the traditional strength training, which is set for weightlifting and workout, all these things, automatically gets triggered. It automatically starts. I do not need to manually go and turn that on. Yeah, obviously, I don't need to text anyone when I reach the gym, but you can set that up in your shortcuts app as well. If you're not sure how to exactly do it, you can let me know in the comments and I'll help you over there directly itself. Now, I have three Apple devices. I'm not flexing it. I have the Apple Watch Series 10. I have iPhone 14 right over there from which I'm shooting this video. Here I have my iPad. And if you consider technically I have four, like I have the Apple Pencil also with it. Now, what happens usually, I misplace these devices a lot. Like sometimes I keep the iPad on the bed and I forget. Sometimes it is right over here on the desk. Or sometimes the watch, I kept it like somewhere random place. And finding that physically is like so much of time consuming. Even you can consume your energy in that a lot, right? Now, instead of going and physically searching all this, I usually prefer using Siri for it. Here is how. Let me explain. So I use Siri, I ask Siri to find my particular device, and Siri starts ringing that device. And in some cases, like most of the cases, let's say you left your watch somewhere in the gym and you are not sure where exactly you left it. You can also search and get the direction exactly where your watch is right now. That also with just the voice command. Like you can tell the Siri to find your device and it gets done. Hey Siri, find my watch.
Looking for Shubham's Apple Watch Series 10. It's nearby. Pinging your watch now.
See, I love to schedule multiple tasks that I have, divide it, schedule it in your Apple Calendar, and it gets easy. Like you can maintain it, you can maintain the record. And so do I. Like I do it a lot. But sometimes when I am out with my friends and almost forget that I need to shoot the YouTube video for my channel in next few minutes, that is when the Siri gets handy. Like Siri literally suggests me based on my location. It will automatically trigger it 15 minutes before the meeting, saying that your this particular meeting is yet to be started and you need to be at your home at that time. Now suggesting this is one kind of stuff, but Siri goes beyond than this. It like literally gets your live location. It connects with the Google Map. It gets you the direction, the time, the traffic, and everything, all the detail. That also live without you even checking it online and making you do the things forcefully. Obviously, in a good way. Like it should be done, right? It's based on your calendar. And this feature I really liked a lot. This actually adds to that productivity stuff, which I haven't seen for the 5 to 6 year when I was using Android. This totally app integration and all this stuffs are really good in Apple devices. Sometimes I agree there are glitches that are there, some bugs that are there, but the small factor which people usually ignore are captured by me on this channel because I usually use the things and then create the video based on my personal experience, which obviously give me this window of understanding that thing in depth. And that's my advantage. Not just the Siri suggestions, but the Siri dynamic widget also helps you to get the things done very quickly. Like it actually tracks what you are trying to do on your day-to-day basis. It tracks your routine. And if you're going with the same routine every day, the Siri automatically starts giving you suggestion in this widget itself. Like when I wake up, it shows me my sleep score, or sometimes it even shows me the sleeping details, like how much well I slept, or there was a temperature difference. Even in point zero 0.01 temperature difference, it gets tracked in the Apple Watch. That is the advantage of using this while sleeping. I start my day within few next minutes and it starts suggesting me the weather condition. I start from my home for around 8 o'clock in the morning and it starts giving me the Apple Map suggestions where it gets me the direction to my gym where I have been there regularly. Now, for this particular feature, you need to make sure you have highlighted your gym location and liked it in the Apple Map. Only when it has been pinged, then you can get this feature active. Or even when you hit the gym, it automatically suggests you the music suggestions, like you want to play music. And this particular widget is dynamic. So it literally gives what you need at that particular time, which really makes it feels way more reliable. Now, the entire video I was just talking about the Jarvis like experience, but this particular experience you can actually get it applied to your life. And it's not just being used for this particular 4 points that I told till now. You can make use of this as a personal AI assistant where you can get your regular things done very fast, like creating a quick note you realize when you're doing some work, or calling someone on speaker instead of just going unlocking your device, then searching for the contact and then calling him. You can easily call using the Siri feature.
Calling Papa? Mobile?
And it's not just about calling, you can also hang up the call. But this feature needs to be turned on from the settings again, especially for hanging up the call. And other features like you want to text someone about something that you don't want to go and type, you don't want to open that app, you just need to give the voice command and the AI assistant does for you. That is the Siri. Creating checklist, adding a reminder. Hey Siri, open YouTube music and play songs.
Now playing YouTube music.
Playing songs, everything without even touching your phone. And here, if you notice that I'm mentioning AI, now this feature is like not exactly available for everyone. I don't have it on my iPhone 14, but I have it on my iPad. Why? Because this is Apple Intelligence, where it is based on the devices which only has the neural chip built inside. So if you have iPhone 15 Pro and higher, then you can get this features easily. I'll also put the image on the screen so that you can get a visibility on what all devices it is available on. But the major factor that is there over here is like the more you data that you provide to your assistant, the more better it gets. And everything that I have spoken in this video is not taken from one particular video or after checking out multiple videos. I just started using it randomly in my day to day life. It just started with calling, and now I have built tons of features. Like I literally do most of the things without actually touching my devices. It can easily be like as simple as like checking the stock price. You don't need to go on your mobile phone search for that particular stock. You can just go and ask it on your watch as well. If your watch is connected with internet, if you have the cellular model, then it can be done anywhere you go. But if you have the Wi-Fi only, which is the GPS one, then if you're connected with your home Wi-Fi, it's easy. Like you can literally go ask which particular stock price you want to check, and it gives you the amount. Nothing you need to do, no other app that you need to install, nothing. It just as simple as that. The only thing is you try out more, you get the result, you make more things out of it. And if you are using this particular thing and you know some shortcuts which I forgot, or some Siri features which I forgot in this video, you can definitely let me know in the comment, and we'll definitely have a glad good discussion on this. And in case if I have forgotten anything, I'll also leave it in the comments so you can check the pin comment for any other feature which I missed. Because this was just the video about the top 5 feature that I used with the Siri that actually adds value to my day-to-day life. And if you're someone who want to buy a power bank which is wirelessly supported for your iPhone devices, or want to get the iPad and want this Apple Pencil for free, you can check out those links as well of the videos. I'll link it in the I button somewhere. And you can also get the Apple Watch replaced for free. You can check my experience how I did it. It was a discoloration issue. If you have to, then you can also get it claimed for free, which is a genuine method provided by Apple itself. So yeah, that was all about this video. I hope you like the video and it will add the value to your life. And if it does, definitely let me know in the comment. I'll be very happy. So yeah, again, thank you for watching till the end. See you guys in some another video of UnZip Tech. Till then, bye bye.